Somewhere along the way, you were taught to put your life on hold and squeeze everything around your career. Long days, endless weeks, no energy, and feeling like you can't even turn your phone off at the end of the day. No freedom. Join my free workshop, What Nobody Told You, Success Lies That Steal Your Joy, and learn how to intentionally design a career around your life, filled with joy, purpose, and financial freedom. I'll be offering a series of workshops from now until the end of the year. It's my gift to you. I really believe, women, we can work together and we can rewrite the old rule book so we can create a life and career that works for us. I call it living by design, not by default. And before the event, I would really appreciate some feedback. So share with me your biggest pain point or the lie that you learned the hard way. You can send me a DM or just put something at the bottom at the comments with this video. Hope to see you at the workshop. I'll be sending out additional details real soon. Thank you.